Gentleman Manga second part launches on Shonen Jump Plus on July 13. Also, Tatsuki Fujimoto Oda Tōda published new one-shot in July 4. The official Twitter account for Shueisha's Shonen Jump Plus service announced on Monday that Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw manga will start its second part on July 13. Shonen Jump Plus assistant editor-in-chief Yoto Momiyama stated on Twitter that the manga will continue to serialize in Manga Plus will be available in English, Spanish, Thai, French, and Portuguese. The official Twitter account for the manga also revealed on Monday that Fujimoto will publish a short one-shot with artist Oto Tōda titled Fotse no Kitekori or Listen to Me Normally on Shonen Jump Plus on July 4. Fujimoto is credited with the original work.